welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss out on our tech tips and tricks. Today, we're going to be diving into the world of CMD commands, specifically for all you new Windows PC and laptop users out there. Let's start with number 1 on our list, slmgr/xpr. This command is a quick way to check the activation status of your Windows operating system. By typing this into the command prompt and hitting enter, you'll see a pop-up message that tells you whether your copy of Windows is activated or not. Moving on to number 2, we have netsh advfirefall show all profiles. This command gives you insight into your firewall settings. By running this command, you can see a detailed list of all the firewall profiles on your system, including public, private, and domain networks. This is useful for ensuring that your system is properly protected from online threats. Number 3 on our list is mic startup list full. This command provides a comprehensive list of all the programs that are set to run at startup. By knowing which programs are launching automatically when you boot up your PC, you can better manage your system's performance and troubleshoot any startup issues. Command number 4, mic logicaldisk get size, freespace, caption. Now, this might sound a bit technical, but it's actually quite simple. This command allows you to view information about your disk drives, such as their size, free space, and captions. It's handy for keeping track of your storage space and knowing when it's time to clean up or upgrade your storage. Number 5 is powercfg.cpl. This command opens the Power Options control panel, where you can adjust your power settings. By typing powercfg.cpl into the command prompt and hitting enter, you'll be taken directly to the Power Options menu, where you can configure settings such as sleep mode, screen brightness, and power plans. Number 6 is systeminfo. This command provides detailed information about your system's hardware and software configuration. By running this command, you can get insights into your processor, memory, operating system version, and much more. It's a great way to gather information about your system without having to dig through multiple settings menus. Number 7 is rstrui.exe. This command opens the System Restore tool, which allows you to restore your system to a previous state. By running rstrui.exe from the command prompt, you can access the System Restore wizard, where you can choose a restore point and revert your system back to a time when it was working properly. This can be a lifesaver if you encounter any major issues with your PC. Number 8 is ping. This command is a simple yet effective way to test your internet connection. By pinging a website like Google, you can check whether your PC is able to communicate with the outside world. If you receive a response from the website, it means your connection is working properly. If not, it could indicate a network issue that needs to be addressed. Number 9 is tasklist. This command gives you a snapshot of all the running processes on your system. By typing tasklist into the command prompt and hitting enter. Number 10 on our list is control user passwords too. This command opens the user accounts control panel, where you can manage user passwords and account settings. By typing control user passwords to into the command prompt and hitting enter, you'll have access to a range of options for managing user accounts on your PC, including changing passwords, setting up automatic logins, and more. And there you have it, folks. 10 CMD commands that every new Windows PC and laptop user should know. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did. And leave us a comment letting us know what other tech topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.